Hi, I'm Anna, co-founder and CEO of Punto Health, calling from London. Our mission is to transform cognitive care by connecting patients, caregivers, and clinicians through personalized continuous support from the early signs to the most advanced stages. As you know, dementia care is slow, fragmented, and reactive. Families are exhausted, clinicians frustrated, and patients underserved. And these delays in diagnosis and minimal post-diagnosis support drive poor outcomes and rise costs. We offer an integrated AI platform that supports the full journey. We combine early detection through our speech-based biomarker, Punto Test, currently in 3 languages, with daily care plan and support that combine cognitive stimulation, physical activity, lifestyle changes, all personalized symptom tracking through our app, Punto Care. Our biggest milestones this year is that we've validated our biomarker and that we're live with our app, Punto Care, in more than 6 hospitals in the NHS, in the UK, and in Spain. Being part of the Alzheimer's Moonshot has given us invaluable recognition and visibility into the US market, which is essential for our next steps. Thanks so much.